JBL Tour Pro 3 review. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product review. I'll be presenting a detailed analysis of one of JBL's newest wireless earbuds, the JBL Tour Pro 3. I've been actively using these earbuds for the past week, and I'll be sharing both their technical features and my personal experience with you. Before we dive into the video, let me give you a quick reminder, my friend. Preparing this video takes hours of effort, but subscribing to the channel and liking the video takes just 2 seconds of your time. Remember, you are my source of motivation. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video to make both me and my team happy, so we can continue reviewing the latest tech products and creating videos just for you. Now, if you're ready, there's so much to talk about regarding these earbuds. Let's get started. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design. The JBL Tour Pro 3 boasts a sleek and modern design. The earbuds themselves are compact and fit very comfortably in the ear. When I first held the case, I could immediately feel its premium quality. The combination of matte and glossy surfaces is well balanced. Additionally, the LED display on the case that shows battery level and connection status is a fantastic detail for ease of use. Sound quality. Now, let's move on to the most important aspect, sound performance. The JBL Tour Pro 3 is equipped with dual dynamic drivers, which provide an excellent balance between bass and treble. As a bass lover, I can confidently say that the low frequencies delivered a satisfying performance. That said, the treble and vocals are equally crisp and clear. I tested them across various music genres, pop, jazz, rock, and classical, and found the experience consistently enjoyable. Active noise cancellation. One of the standout features of these earbuds is the active noise cancellation. In noisy urban environments, the ANC mode truly isolated me from the outside world. It was especially effective in noisy cafes or on public transport. The transparency mode is just as impressive, making it easy to stay aware of your surroundings when needed. A small reminder, your support means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Connectivity and ease of use. The JBL Tour Pro 3 comes with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable connectivity. I didn't encounter any connection issues during my use. Switching between devices is seamless, which is a big plus. Thanks to the JBL Headphones app, you can customize the settings to your liking. Another great feature is the touch controls on each earbud. They're responsive and very convenient. Battery performance. Battery life is a crucial feature for someone like me who is always on the go. The JBL Tour Pro 3 offers up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge with ANC turned off, and this goes up to 40 hours with the case. With ANC on, the playback time decreases slightly but remains impressive. Additionally, the fast charging feature allows you to get 4 hours of playback with just 15 minutes of charging. Another quick reminder, with your support, I get even stronger. Don't forget to subscribe. Downsides. Of course, it's not without flaws. From my experience, the touch controls can sometimes be overly sensitive. Also, during extended use, the in-ear design can feel a bit uncomfortable. Just a reminder, with your support, I'm creating better content. Don't forget to subscribe. Conclusion. Overall, the JBL Tour Pro 3 is definitely worth the investment. Its sound quality, ANC performance, and design have thoroughly impressed me. If you're in the market for high-quality wireless earbuds, the JBL Tour Pro 3 should absolutely be on your list. What are your thoughts on these earbuds? Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments. That's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the information helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It's a small gesture that gives me and my team the motivation to create more content. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for the latest product reviews and detailed evaluations from the tech world. Feel free to share your ideas, questions, or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. That's it from me for now. See you in the next video, take care and goodbye.